Hello students. Dear students, we are studying chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. So today I am going to consider the cell as a house. So the protective layer around the house in cell is called the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. We have read about the cleaner of the house, that are lysosomes. We have read about the master of the house, that is nucleus. We have read about a place where the food is broken down and the energy is stored, that is mitochondria. We have discussed a cell organelle, which is providing a skeletal structure and forming various products, such as which is endoplasmic reticulum. We have also read about the packing center of the house, that is your Golgi apparatus. So when we are discussing about the mitochondria, I have taught you there that mitochondria are the places where the food is broken down to release the energy. But from where that food comes from? The food is made only by plants, you already know that. Only the plants produces the food. What we get as a nutrients we get from the plants. Whether we eat meat or we eat the green plants directly. When you eat the meat, the organism you are eating get its nutrient from the plant, and from the plant they get the nutrient, and when we eat them we get those nutrients. So this is how we are dependent on plant. So what the plant have special in them so that they can prepare their food? The plants have an special cell organelle called plastid. These are the largest cell organelle in the plant cell only. They are present in the plant cell only. They have their own DNA, proteins, so that they can divide their cell organelle and can form new plastid. So they are basically self-autonomous. Self-autonomous means they have their own DNA and proteins so that they can form new cell organelle, that is plastid. So how the plastid looks like? Plastid होते कैसे हैं? प्लास्टिड बेसिकली 3 कैटेगरीज में ब्रॉडली कैटेगराइज किए गए हैं, डिपेंडिंग कि उनमें पिगमेंट कौन सा है. The 3 categories are: number 1 is chromoplast. Dear students, chromoplast are the colored plastid. They have all colors except the green. सारे कलर्स हो सकते हैं एक्सेप्ट ग्रीन कलर नहीं होगा. ठीक है. इनका काम क्या होता है? ये प्रेजेंट होते हैं आपके फ्लावर्स या फिर फ्रूट्स की पेटल्स में या फिर उनको कलर देने के. अब इसका फायदा क्या होगा? If the plastic have any color, so what's the benefit of us and the plant? Actually, these colors attract the insects or the bees to help the plant for the pollination. होता क्या है, ये पौधे जब भी फूल के ऊपर, फूल के अंदर आपको पढ़ा है आप लोगों ने 8th क्लास में, वहां पे क्या होता है? पॉलिनेशन होता है. पॉलिनेशन की हेल्प से फर्टिलाइजेशन होता है, जिसकी हेल्प से आपका क्या होता है? न्यू सीड्स आते हैं. तो होता क्या है, इन प्लांट्स दीज chromoplasts attract the insects and to form the new, what you call, the new plants and the new seeds. So this is the need for the chromoplast. These are the colored plastid. Remember, these are the colored plastid. The second category of plastid is leucoplast. These are colorless. And the basic function of leucoplast is to store the food made by the plastids. These are also divided into the three categories. First, we have read about the chromoplast, which are the colored plastid. Secondly, we are discussing about the leucoplast, which is colorless. These are further divided into three, depending upon what they store. First category is amyloplast. Second category is elioplast. And the third category is alloplast. So this is how they are divided into three categories. The first category, amyloplast, is used to store what we call the starch or the carbohydrate. These stores the starch or the carbohydrate. The food rich in starch and carbohydrate have a large number of amyloplast plastids, while the elioplast is used to store the oil and fat. This is used for carbohydrate. This is used for fat and oil. And alloplast is used to store the proteins. So this is how these three stores the three different things. The last type of plastid is chloroplast. Remember the word chloroplast. So these are the three categories: chromoplast, colored plastid, leucoplast, colorless plastid, and last we have the chloroplast, which is green in color. So we will now discuss about what the chloroplast have and what is its structure. Dear students, chloroplast is a green colored plastid. It is disc shaped and basically responsible for the formation of food. क्लोरोप्लास्ट क्या होते हैं? ग्रीन कलर प्लास्टिड होते हैं, डिस्क शेप में होते हैं और क्या होते हैं? खाना बनाने के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल होते हैं. इनका अगर मैं स्ट्रक्चर देखूं तो इनके स्ट्रक्चर में बेसिकली दो थिंग्स होती हैं. फर्स्ट इज स्ट्रोमा एंड सेकेंड इज योर ब्रेन. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं एक एक करके इनके स्ट्रक्चर में होता है. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. हियर यू कैन सी द टू membranes. The outer layer will be called the outer membrane. Outer layer will be called the outer membrane, while the inner layer will be called inner membrane. This is simple. It is a double layer cell organelle. In this, what exists? There exist the two things. First is stroma. And second is grana. Other than stroma and grana, there exist some circular DNA. And there also exist some ribosomes. These are ribosomes. So let us discuss about what is stroma. Stroma is a proteinous fluid which have various enzymes which are necessary for the preparation of proteins, carbohydrates and different components. Stroma is basically required to make the food. It have certain disc-like structures. You can see here, these disc-like structures are called thylakoid. So these have some disc-like structure floating in it called the thylakoid, and they also have the two special components. First component is your chlorophyll, which is used to synthesize your food. Okay, इनमें क्या होता है, आपका क्लोरोफिल भी प्रेजेंट होता है जो क्या करता है, आपका फूड सिंथेसिस में हेल्प करता है. एक और जो थिंग होती है, दैट इज योर कार्टेनॉइड, विच इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू ट्रैप द सनलाइट. सो द क्लोरोफिल एंड द कार्टेनॉइड विल, व्हाट दे विल डू, they will trap the sunlight so that the food can make. They have some disc-like structure called the thylakoid, and these thylakoid are connected by a structure called the lamella. These structure are called lamella. These are called by the name stromal lamella. What the function of the stromal lamella? They provide the support for this thylakoid to be arranged. The next is grana. What is grana? हम लोग जब इन डिफरेंट thylakoid को एक के ऊपर एक अरेंज कर देते हैं, जैसे हम सिक्कों को एक के ऊपर एक अरेंज कर दें, piles of coins. Similarly, these thylakoid are arranged one over the other and forms the structure called the grana. ग्रेना इज द साइट फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस. यहां पे क्या होते हैं, आपका फूड प्रिपेयर होता है. सो दिस इज अबाउट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट. सो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट? क्लोरोप्लास्ट हैव द ग्रीन कलर्ड पिगमेंट कॉल्ड द क्लोरोफिल, which is responsible for the making of food. As the chloroplast prepare the food, they are also called the kitchen of the cell. Remember, these are also called the kitchen of the cell. So this is all for today. Thank you.